Hi guys, just a quick video. If you've been following along with the free website tutorial, you'll be looking at a website something like this, and what we need is a logo for it. Now if you want a logo, a simple logo like this for the top and obviously the footer, you can create one free. This is just a temporary measure, that's the way I look at it. We're going to go to a free site where you can create an account for free. It's got a few limitations. It's called Stencil, and the address I'll leave in the description. This is just so that you can get yourself a logo whilst you're working on your site. I will show you other ways of designing the logo, but this is just a quick fix. So come to Stencil, go through the free sign up, and you'll end up here. So what I've done is I've made one already. I'm just going to show you what I did, just so the video doesn't go on too long. First thing you want to do is make sure the canvas size is the right size. That's that there, you can see, and underneath the area there you'll see a little button, and what I did, it defaults on all. Just click over to custom, create a custom size, name it, and then just put the sizes that you need in there. In our case, for that template, that theme that we're using 258 times 66. So make that up, click it, and then you'll get your size. Just design the logo the way you want, and the way I designed this logo is I did the text there. It's on Foxton 1. That's where you can change your fonts at the top, and you can change the text size and the line height. That moves it up and down a little bit. And set your colour, outline colour there, and so on. It's just like using a normal editor. And what I did is I sized it up enough so I fill the real estate a little bit, and then I basically then what I did is I basically duplicate and moved it down, and every time I click it, it seems to move, doesn't it? There. And then I just set the fonts and colours and stuff here. No outline because it just looks silly. And yeah, now if you want to move these, they do snap, but you can just select it and then just press the down arrow to move it to where you want, like that. Now with the limitations of the free account, you can only save up to 10 images, so you don't want to go too mad. These are icons. I went over here to icons, and because it's Ambience Hunter, I typed in audio, and then press search. You can do whatever you want really, but I just went for audio, and I selected this one. Just click it and it will jump over to the canvas, and then just position it and size it. Very simple. But some of these aren't free. See these little red padlocks, the round red circles, padlocks? Those are pro features, so you need to be a paid member to get those ones. So I just used the free and what was available, sized and positioned them. Quick and easy logo, and then you just simply can save it and then download it. So you can just press save. I'm going to be using up another slot there, showing you that. So that's saved, and then you can download it and make sure it's on PNG. Give it a name, and your dimensions. Obviously digital, standard, and start download, and then that will save to your computer, to wherever you save it. In your theme, this logo here is coming from the Divi settings. So if you go into the back end dashboard there, scroll down to Divi, and then theme options, you see here logo, and then you can just upload that logo to your elegant themes, and obviously remember to press save, and then it will appear here for you. However, the bottom one in the footer, if you remember, we set this up in the globals. So to put that in there, go to Ambience Hunter dashboard, backend dashboard, Divi theme builder, and then you get all those globals and stuff. And here it is here, the footer. Just if you go into the footer, and then here you can just simply click and upload the logo. Okay, the only thing is when you're doing this bit, remember to save it here, and then remember to exit, and then remember to save it here, and then return to your site, and you'll have your logo and your logo. I will show you other ways of making a logo, other avenues you can go down, but this is just a quick and easy fix, and it's free, and it's just, you know, something free whilst you're building your site. I hope you found that helpful. Remember to like and subscribe to keep up to date. I'm going to keep bringing these videos out to help you build up your site and all sorts of things to get that traffic to your site. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.